Welcome back to the senior brother for the television stations when they inside the world, Wazobia TV for channel 98 on top of Go TV. And this now the #1 program we get to do with politics and issues where we say everybody inside the world Nigeria fit chook mouth inside as in a heart. Today, we will discuss one particular issue when we say the carry first for our news story. And now the outcome of the emergency meeting when we say our health people, both for center and the different states, gotta do on the 19th of January as it get to do with Lassa fever. Our Ogbonge visitor, Dr. Adora Onyekwere, when we say in school fees complete, read and reach the level when we say it be like say the school go even need to pay her for all the things when we say she don't learn. She dey inside studio and we dey discuss this important issue. Dr. Adora, before we go that break, our Ogbonge caller from all the way from Amsterdam, Oga Bobby, been talk say, if you check, we they talk say rat, say you can also talk about mouse. You know, say for Nigeria, anyone will see, whether cockroach or whether mosquito, so long as say the thing, they say something, they carry something, we go begin to run from them. Just make the thing very, very clear to us, make we understand. And the second question we get to do with ways where we say we prevent them, other than just say we dey clean our house.
Well, the one way that they call, according to researchers, we don't do them. Now, multi-mammate rats. Multi-mammate rats.
They don't hear them for house.
AKA mastomis rats. But I'm not going to tell you, say, now only these rats then fit carry them. Because mouse too, all of them, they the same family. And anyone we don't contact, if one contact the other, remember, say, I tell you, say, they're not they sick on top of the matter. No. They go just, they carry them. Their urine, their feces, anywhere where they fit. Because some of these big rats, they fit not enter your house. But they fit contact another small rat where go enter inside your house. Or small mouse. Anyone where you want call them. For Nigeria, all of them are the same thing. All this one where it's say mouse and rats, as far as I'm concerned, all of them. As long as now rodents, we carry long tail, we carry pointed mouths, we resemble like that. Beware of things like that. Then as for prevention, please, please, and please. I don't talk and say the host narrat. So when we talk about personal cleanliness, hygiene, it is very important. Say your food, because we already said now urine and feces. You know, say rats fit enter any corner, fit go poop for somewhere or urinate somewhere. So cover your food properly. Then if you know, say that now from the host to human being, if you touch anything where concern their urine or their feces, it will affect you. Then again, if now human being we don't already get the sickness, you understand? Person we don't sick already, you don't, even if you don't know whether now Lassa fever or not, considering that they know on time, unless you take them to hospital, please avoid any secretion where they come up for your body, in sweat, in blood, in urine, in feces, anything where it shall come up for your body, just like Ebola. Avoid anything where concern that area. Sure, if you want to touch them for any reason, wear gloves or something, but protect yourself. That night. And then we don't even discover, say, even the semen of a man will get this
that is the thing when they come up for inside man. That powerful thing.
That powerful thing where they come up for inside man, where they use the bomb picking. Even that one, they don't discover, say, it day inside. Although they never know how much of it, how the rate at which they transmit this thing. But sexual intercourse to an extent too. So that now waiting with the talk. So avoid anything like that. Then please wash your plates, wash your pots at home. Not just carry your plate now. Just, some people, before now, they just carry plates from where your plate rack.
Just go put that for fire.
All these small mouse and they feel climating. You don't ever keep biscuits somewhere before. You keep on. You can't notice, say, rats, don't go chop one side. So please, right now, you have to be extra careful. You have to be more hygiene conscious and make sure that you don't give them any room at all. Very, very important.
Doki, make we bring them down to the issue of, okay, people who don't carry them already. Yes. Okay, and when they don't discover, say they don't carry them. Okay, like the case of Ebola, we know say they give the job like say they put them on a monitoring this thing level. So okay, these people make we put them one place. Say if in the same way, say this thing if we play out the same way. So okay, people who don't carry the disease, they're supposed say make them keep the one side, they monitor them. They feel just still mingle among people.
No. They no if they mingle among people, they give the people now. Once they sure. Usually they isolate them. And waiting that they call them. They
just isolated, they monitor.
Yes, they monitor. Then they treat asymptomatically. If person gets headache, they give them medicine for. Apart from the ribavirin, that's now the antiviral drug. Because right now we don't get any vaccine
for
Lassa fever yet.
But they say they're treatable.
Now the treatment na the antiviral drug.
Okay,
That na the
okay.
ribavirin. The same way they get anti-malarial drug. That's what they get antiviral drug for this
Okay,
Lassa
for the-
fever.
okay.
Yes. So, but that one usually they work when they don't discover them within the first 6 days of the onset of the
Within the
disease.
first 6 days.
Yes.
Doctor, from what you don't talk now, you dey very, very clear. Say early detection, that is to say, make our eye dey outside. Once we see the thing, we go just report to those wey sabi well, health people, so that they will fit take the necessary action. But make we break down some of the things where you don't talk, because the book where you read and reach the level where we say we no go even verse if you can't dey carry all those things. Not be say I don't know am because I do health education.
No, they open eyes well. You don't know him, don't know him. Maybe we just.
Who don't know multi-mamate?
Multi-mamate.
Multi-mamate.
You call it, not
I said multi-mamate.
Na mamate you call
AKA
it.
mastomas.
When mamate dey your house, where they call mamate? Where you want mamate?
You see.
Call what you want call mamate, they call mamate.
I said mamate. Who say mamate?
When you want call her, what you
I said multi-mamate.
You first call
Multi-mamate.
mamate, chukudi.
Okay, make we break am down. Our people when they for house, our doctor
I
don't talk
think
and
say come
say
and
whether he look like rat, whether he be like rat, or he so long as say just to be
He
safe.
get tail.
So be safe. To be safe. No be say you call the talk say for una village the one una dey chop na ekute or the one una dey chop na
he don dey treated.
Say the bush rat when dey una village, something like unkubi na something wey fit talk. Say those ones then they respect themselves.
I never for once chop bush meat. I mean, bush rat. I mean, don't.
You no even come dey sure. You never
no,
go on chop
I
bush
know
meat.
the kind of
Even
chop.
yourself betray you. You betray yourself.
It don't do you. It
You
don't
betray
do you.
yourself.
No,
Your man be like, who go like the pepper soup
I
self?
please. Respect. We have a guest in the house. Respect our guest. Even if you no respect me. If you no respect our guest with the house.
Dr. Dora, make we come emphasize again now. This one, not be me. No, in fact, not be me one ask this question now. I know say Unkubi one ask the question, but you know he dey in mind to answer, but you know one answer. This Gary, because I know say Unkubi, you me, I do salad. You understand? But this Gary, when they say make people no dey, I don't know. They say, but they all talk say to be safe. Make people stop to dey take Gary.
So
Not
they
be say
drink, wait, taking Gary away, they try talk.
you see am, you don't see say you don't carry the question.
No, because
it's your question.
Gary is a general food.
But it's your question.
We all love Gary.
You see am.
The same way you love Gary, I love Gary.
I don't take I
Either
don't
eating it or drinking it.
You see am. You don't dey call
Either
it.
way.
Me, I don't even know what they use Gary
See
do.
you.
You don't even dey
But
know that
Dr.
thing.
Key, make we say Gary wey dey mention say na to make we no chop Gary, abi make we no drink am. Which one?
That is no use am do eba. Omo no soak am.
Which one e be? Make we know.
Well, now the soaking because you know say when you dey make eba, you dey use hot water,
Okay.
and most of the time hot water go burn any.
Thing
understand?
wey yes.
But when you dey drink am, you know say like I talk na the urine and the feces. For example, if rat poop, you don't ever keep plenty Gary somewhere before. Just go there say you wan collect, you can't see some kind black things inside.
Doctor,
Something like that.
abeg, you go hold am. Make we take this call. It's too far. Rachel, they call us all the way from Sapele. Rachel, welcome to Acid Hot.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We dey hear you right
hear
on,
you.
Rachel.
Hello?
Hello, we
Hi.
dey hear you.
Continue.
Okay, I have a question to ask.
Okay.
I want to ask, the Lassa fever, that Lassa, is it abbreviation or is that just the name?
Okay.
Okay.
Now just the question when you want to ask me that.
No. And I want to ask again, is it that Lassa fever, is it not demonic or is it just a medical diagnosis?
Demonic.
Yeah.
That is to say, now from Satan they follow come.
Because
Okay, Rachel,
I've
thank
not
you
heard
very
about
Because
it before.
make we hear wetin- because say wetin.
I said I've not heard about it before. This is my first time of hearing about it.
Okay.
So
Anyway,
that's why I'm saying, is it demonic or is it medical
Okay.
that
diagnosis?
is why we get this kind of platform.
Thank
at
God
least.
for Acid Hot.
Thank God, that's
You
why
see
we get
how-
this kind of platform to informate now wetin dey happen for obodo Nigeria. Anyway, Doki, he say Lassa na the name be that have been a short form of abbreviation for a particular.
Doki, make we, you know, say, make we take this thing, come. Before we answer that one about, say, whether an abbreviation, it go good, make we break the thing down so that everybody go. The first one, they talk about whether the thing are demonic. Whether the thing are demonic first. Now, I want to make you just sharp. Based on all the book where you don't read, just cancel that one out first before we even come to talk about anything. So that people when they house, then go here.
Doki, before you go answer that demonic part, make we first collect this call from Tunde. Tunde, they call us from Fagba. Good morning, Tunde. Tunde, good morning. Tunde, you there?
Oga Tunde, you there? I beg you go try call us back. Doc. Okay, but before you even talk about that demonic one, now I want me to use your own mouth, take talk am. Make you no be say they talk say I use verse, answer the question. They they say Lassa na town inside Borno State. So if we they talk about Lassa fever, now because of say for the first time when we say the first notice am for inside Nigeria for 1969, now inside Lassa town, inside Borno State, na me dey. So Lassa, not be German word, not be French, not be abbreviation, na town inside Borno State. Demonic. I want me you bind that question. Bind and cast that question.
Okay, like you talk now because they first discover for Borno State, for one village where they call Lassa, for 1969. 2 missionary nurses wake up that time, then die from the disease. Now that time they can't discover, say, they can't name them after
the
that town for Borno State. But please, my sister Rachel and any other person watching us right now, it is not a demonic disease.
At all.
It's not a demon. Now virus. The same way you get different bacteria where they cause plenty gbege for body, different viruses where they cause plenty gbege for body. Now so this Lassa virus too, now one of them. It is not a demonic disease.
Okay, it is not a demonic disease. We don't hear them. Oga Chukwudi, all the way from Owerri. Good morning, Oga Chukwudi. Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Oga Chukwudi, you there? It be like say our network somehow. Those when we say they try call us when the thing connect, but we no hear them. Make una no vex. Make una still try they call. We get one of our brothers when they call us all the way from Warri. Mama Ella, no vex. I call her now Mama. Mama Ella from Warri. Mama Ella, welcome to our city hut.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning,
Mama Ella.
I beg concerning this Gary issue, where they say we no drink again. So
Okay.
I don't understand. I feel say that Gary when they no fry well or something. I don't understand the reason why.
Okay. On top of the Gary own, Abi.
Yes.
Okay. If you hear within our donkey talk say look, say we dey put Gary for house. Abi,
Okay.
and they know say somehow some places get where places where we put Gary, we know they know the kind of way they visit them. You understand? And the rats even waka go there, do anything there, pissy, shitty. And for that prevention, this one we say they make the Gary, say they take hot water and make them. This one we say don't already give up, put them for house. You want chop one, and something where you want to chop continuously. I never know what to enter inside. Now it's donkey, Abi, no be what you talk. So for prevention sake, make we avoid them. At least make we no drink them for now. But if not to make them, make we make them with hot water.
Okay.
Now within donkey talk with that.
No problem.
Mama Ella, thank you very much for that your important question. Doki, I go like make you can't even talk am again because you get one go where she carry and come from. She talk say she been the thing say maybe na Gary where they no fry well.
They no fry well.
As the medical doctor here now, you go answer that question again. Sure. Tell them make them dey clear say not be by frying or now you just talk am. Now your question.
Well, if they not fry Gary well most of the time, on your own, apart from Lassa virus, if it's not good for your body because they're not fry them well. You know, say, cassava, you know, all these things where they don't break down. If you not pass through the normal process where you're supposed to pass, can't reach the final stage very well. And that time you can't cause gbege. So on a good day, naturally, if they're not fry them well, that one on your own because
problem.
So if they're not fry them well, then rats where they carry this Lassa virus can't decide to waka go inside there, go cause kasala. Then you can't carry and decide to drink them. My sister.
Lassa raised to the power of 2.
You understand? So now waiting with the talk. So now waiting with the talk with that.
Doki, I go like make we go back again to some of the things we don't talk so that people mind go there very, very clear. Sure. You don't talk I'm here already say the host when they carry them now what they call multi-mamate rat and you talk say now aka mastomis. So make everybody for house here now say anything rat or asun or asin rodent ekute anyone make we just dey very very careful make we no dey even dey near am at all. Destiny from Rivers don call us back and we hope say this time we go connect. Hello Destiny, welcome to our city hut.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Destiny.
Yeah, please, I want to know this all about this Lassa fever of a thing, and I've been hearing about it. I've been saying concerning this Lassa fever that we have to anything concerning Gary and all that. How can
That's the continue. Would they hear
to
you
know
stay
how
there?
we can prevent rats not to be, because sometimes there are some people, children in the house, or if the men and other things, they keep some things in the house, so most likely they can even open the carrier, maybe rats can easily enter or something like that. How can we provide, without these rats and other things, how can we prevent this Lassa fever not to affect women's distance? And now I'm hearing that they have not gotten any medication for it for now. So how we can be protected?
Oga Destiny, thank you very much for this your two important questions. Although our doctor don't answer them, but you go still answer them again. And before you answer that question, we get Mrs. Raji. They call us all the way from Fagba. Mrs. Raji, welcome to Aside Hot.
Hello, good morning.
Good
morning, Mrs. Raji.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello.
Would
We dey greet you back, Mrs. Raji.
I say if somebody wants to detect the Lassa fever, detect it from somebody, is it any kind of hospital you can go to or the government hospital?
Okay.
That's what I want to ask.
Okay.
Is it that you can take the person to a private hospital or the government hospital? So I want to know the accredited hospital or the real hospital that somebody should take them to, that the person will get treatment.
Okay.
Mrs. Raji, thank you very much for that your important question. And this question, when she don't ask now, I want to say, I dey very, very sure, say plenty Nigerians then they ask, they want to know. Our doctor don't already talk and say, when you even notice them, the first thing you're supposed to do, na to rush go hospital. And we be read out some of the special, according to waiting our Ogbonge Minister of Health talk, special diagnostic centers when they for different parts of this country. And the fact say, for the 6 places where we say the thing no affect pass, they go like put new ones. As we discuss the thing they go, we go give all these ones. But we self go do our best to, even if not to call the Minister of Health, make him come carry him own mouth, talk him, so that everybody go hear him. We go do our best. Now Aside Hot, we go do him. Make we collect this call from Isaac. Isaac, they call us all the way from Oshogbo. Isaac, welcome to Aside Hot.
Isaac, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Isaac. Could they hear you?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
We dey hear you, Isaac.
Continue.
Just continue.
Hi.
It be like say the network no gree Isaac to make a contribution.
But if you listen to it in Mrs. Raji talk and with the last caller before Isaac, you will hear she raised about she said something about say okay, if there are special hospitals, okay, from the list of hospitals we mentioned, just like say some, you get one particular location where it dey. Okay, if na person will say it dey far from this place. And then you need to immediately carry the person go where the special place they don't design for this kind of sickness. What did you say could be the alternative solution? That is at least find one supplementary solution before you go say you go carry and go the main place.
True.
You don't get any supplementary solution. What you go just do, find community health centers. Now them they around more. And if they got to refer the patient to a major hospital or a general hospital or something, then get transportation system where they go use, carry that patient, go there. Most of the things where they thrive, now the health centers, now then they thrive for this our community areas. That's the community health centers.
Okay,
so they go carry.
Doki,
yes.
no vex. You go pause for now because we get Suzanne.
Okay,
Suzanne, they call us from Shagamu. Hi.
Suzanne, okay, Suzanne, I beg you go try call us back if you get the opportunity so that you go fit make your contribution. Doki, you don't make am dey very, very clear. Say nothing like say the place where you dey go dey very, very far. You don't talk and say community health centers dey close to us.
Yes.
Now there we go rush go first. Then if you can't need to go these other places, you go. So no excuse say transport dey too much or e dey too far. When we got this break, come back. We'll come bring down all the things we don't talk. Start from the beginning again. Begin to talk am one by one. But before we go this break, Nkubi, Gary.
Yes, please. No go break a bag. Which was me of that? If they go break, come pause break because of me.
Come back to Aside Hot. Ezugu Chukudi Nkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Dr. Dora, dey inside studio. We get Oga Ken all the way from Wari. Him in the wait. Make we go the break. Come back. Oga Ken, welcome to Aside Hot.
Yes, thank you, Chukudi.
Thank you, Oga Ken.
Yes, Chukudi.
We dey hear you. Continue.
Yeah, so my question now be, I want to ask the doctor, when the patient don't come down with similar sickness, then after a while, the symptoms can disappear. And you don't get those symptoms again. And you don't pass that number of period, when it's the incubation period.
Yes.
And he has beat all the symptoms which show Lassa fever.
Yes.
So it means that after that period, the person go down there, the body immunity go down overcome him, or what will happen? Maybe after that period, no get that symptom again, you don't find the back normal.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Oga Ken.
Okay.
Okay. What thing they happen be say if the person experience those kind of symptoms and after a while he go, then it means say he not be Lassa fever he gets. Because Lassa fever they progress. Like I talked before, if they experience some kind of fever, they get headache, they experience general weakness, then when it don't become severe, for some people they bleed from their nose, for some people say from their anus, they feel they bleed even from their mouth, you understand? So when all these things don't begin to happen, some they experience facial swelling, then some they experience respiratory disease. You go notice say the person not fit, yes,
Doctor,
they not fit breathe very well.
Make we take this call from Oga Bobby. After this call, we go lock our phone lines so that you will use the opportunity finish work on top of this matter. Oga Bobby calling all the way from Amsterdam back to back. Welcome to Acid Hot.
One that thing again, you know, say get rabbit, that's an Africa giant rat.
Okay.
When people they eat.
What they call bushmeat.
So that me, I bet me the doctor, if those ones are two, people not go eat there too. I be because all na the same thing, the same family now. So.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this your question. I see the concern when they ask this question. We get Solomon from Ogbomosho. Solomon, welcome to Acid Hot.
Solomon, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Oga Solo.
Hello. They hear you. Ride on.
Continue, just continue.
Hello. That last fever will be tough. Now, we like who will drink Irela. Most stop the drink Amari.
You say waiting, Solomon. You say waiting.
Solomon, thank you very much for that question when you ask. It still get to do with the drinking of Gary as it take concern Lassa fever. Our doctor don't talk and repeatedly say safety na be the first thing we go do. You know go talk say okay because of this thing it dey sweet you go come continue and come put yourself at risk. So long as say we don't know say this stubborn rat them wey this Boko Haram kind of rat when they enter inside where we dey keep our food like doctor talk they love grains go they put feces and urine inside there that they go shit there they go piss on top say make we try dey very very safe we go just ensure say for now we just leave am and doctor one of the questions when Oga Bobby asked I would like you address am first time make we no dey talk about whether rat which one if rat shey na be the only source of protein.
No, nah.
Talk am.
No. Rats not be the for now, Please, whether na bush rat, whether na mouse, whether na baby rats, anyone where they waka, anyone where you know, say when they call them, that they put them for inside rats family, please. We don't already talk say make you not leave them for now. It gets other sources of protein. You feed chop cow leg, fish, all those things. Beef. Then they beef generally, all those on goats. Then they
exactly.
If you chop them, please just leave rats alone for now.
Doctor, make we take this last call. They talk say Faith. She talk say she get Faith. Say the call must connect. Faith calling all the way from Calabar. Faith, welcome to Acid Hot.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning,
Faith.
I want to ask, what about we already have Gary in the house before this virus came?
Yes.
Because yesterday my mom called me. And she was telling me not to drink Gary because I like drinking Gary. That I shouldn't drink Gary, this disease and all that. So I asked her and I told her that boy, I have Gary in the house, but she said I shouldn't take it. So I want to ask if I shouldn't take it or if I should still continue taking it because it's been in the house since January.
Since January. Okay, Doki, now you go stay answer Faith's question. At least give her some sense of faith so that she go know what she go do with the Gary where she get for house.
All right, Faith. The thing be say, because this Gary don't day, I would have liked to know where this she was calling from again.
She dey call from Calabar.
Okay. You know, say this kind of thing, because of waiting they happen now. If you want to make the Gary in the sense that if you want to make them like Eba, it's okay. You can make it. But drinking, please, for now, just try. As much as you love to drink garri, just try this period because we don't know wetin don enter inside them. I don't know how you preserve your garri, how you take the keep them, you dey cover, how you dey protect them. That one to go determine because if now container where rats not fit pierce enter, then maybe you are safe. But if not something where rats fit
waka enter, sack
go,
they take am from.
You understand? If not from the sack direct or it inside nylon, because I don't believe say go get big sack for you.
Rat they even chop nylon, so
they fit chop anything. So if you know they inside protected environments, please just avoid drinking.
Our doctor, we go continue this discussion. For the Federal Republic of Aside Hot, we dey concerned with all the citizens when they inside this Obodo Nigeria. Yes. So if we get the opportunity again, we know say you dey very busy. But if we get the opportunity, we will carry you come to come and talk about this thing. And hopefully, it go be say all the cases when they report say, okay, these people then get this thing, the thing don't drop. And from the information we don't put out today, people go know. I'll come read out something when we say your colleague we follow for this medicine, this thing, in talk, in the person of Mr. Razak Adeo Falade, now he be the Oga Patapata of the Medical and Health Workers Union inside Lagos State. And he talk say they go embark on public campaign to let Nigerians know say, make them stop to the chop rats. For now, and make them stop to the soak garri for now. Say it better if they use the thing do ever. Sake of say the hot water, like you don't talk, it go follow for waiting, go kill plenty of these things. So everybody when call us today, we appreciate you now. All the people when raise question as it get to do with this particular Lassa fever. We like the way when we say Nigerians, we they talk not be from whether umbrella or from broom, as it they concern all of us. We don't talk am here say this disease, not be rich man disease, not be poor man disease. The host, as our doctor don't talk, and you know they ask whether you get fence for your house or you get barbed wire before the thing enter. God go protect all of us, but we must do well to protect ourselves. Our government go do their own. Health workers go do their own. We self go do our own. Dr. Dora, I go shake your hand. Are you be the first person I go shake with 2 hands? Even when our papa, if our papa, President Muhammadu Buhari come here, I go shake him with 1 hand. I go shake you with 2 hands. Shake me first.
You know,
say the person when they and I follow Jesus go heaven. You are finished. Our people when they hold on to the hand. Leave on now. Wait till be this one. On top of live television, until we come back again tomorrow to discuss all the story we discuss this week. Una bye. You're shaking hand. You're shaking hand. You're shaking hand. You sleep for the hand. But if you want the hand, come and.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.